Presenting a pre-owned 2007 BMW. Experience the perfect blend of power, luxury, and efficiency with the 2007 BMW 3 Series 335i. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 103,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This 2007 BMW 3 Series 335i boasts a robust 3.0L twin-turbo inline-6 engine, delivering power and a smooth ride. With under 103,000 miles, it's been well cared for, averaging less than 6,000 miles annually. Factory features include premium leather seats, automatic climate control, power windows/locks, and a premium sound system. Additional perks like a sunroof, heated seats, and navigation enhance its appeal. With impressive fuel efficiency at 17 mpg city and 26 mpg highway, it balances power and economy well. Its excellent condition, inside and out, makes it an attractive choice for those seeking reliability and performance. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.